Welcome back everybody to the Crypto Ellis channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some really bad news for chain games, but I'm also going to show you some good news for chain games, and I'm going to give you my opinion on where I believe chain games and the price of the token will go next. If you didn't know, every single day during the month of April I am doing a free giveaway here on the channel. How you can get involved is you've got to like this video, comment down below something about the video, and subscribe to the channel. It's as easy as that. Then the giveaway winners will be announced in the following video. I am a bit backlogged right now with the giveaway winners, but what I will do very soon is take a full day out of my working day, and I will go and contact all the giveaway winners to send them the winnings. And I want to get to 50,000 subscribers before July 2021, and I want to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. If we do this, there'll be bigger giveaways here on the channel. So if you're watching this video right now, make sure you subscribe so we can get to those goals even quicker and do more giveaways here on the channel. I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research. I'm not paid, partnered, or affiliated with any of the cryptocurrencies mentioned in this video today. And if you didn't know, I've got a free Telegram group which you can join. The main benefit of joining this free Telegram group that has 4,000 members in it right now is you will know before anybody else what I'm uploading here to the channel. And I've got a secret cryptocurrency project that's going to be going to a token sale at the end of this month, and this group will be the first group to know about this cryptocurrency and to know about the token sale. So make sure you're joining, completely free for you to join. Link down below in the video description and in the comment section. Before we talk about chain games, let's go and get the giveaway winner from yesterday's video. So this was yesterday's video right here. We've got 117 comments, and then this will be the winner. Then I'll contact this winner after this video. Congratulations to you, Joshua. You have won the giveaway. So chain games is currently just over 42 cents over here on CoinGecko, a market cap of 125.1 million. If you do want to buy chain games, the best places to buy chain games is Uniswap, because it does have the best 24-hour volume, but you can also go buy it on gate.io, because this is probably the perfect time to buy chain games because it's down around 50% since its all-time high, and it is currently down 29% on the day, and I'll show you why in this video. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you're always doing your full research into these cryptocurrencies, and make sure you buy these cryptocurrencies on the dip, like there is a big dip like the one today. So the first thing I want to show you about chain games, and it's really good news, is this right here. Solitaire Plus is ahead of schedule and already working on their testnet as a native Android and iOS app. They're also adding all types of games to the chain games network, from social casuals to tier 1 games, and they're committed to have all games for everybody over here on their platform. This is great that they are ahead of schedule right here, because I know a lot of people do play this game. So if they can get more people on their platform playing these different kind of games, this would be good for the chain games platform and the chain games token. Next thing I want to show you is this, and this is absolutely huge. The Madden mainnet is now officially live. So if you are a big fan of the Madden games, you can now go and do 1v1 private matches, and they are enabled along with the custom challenge mode. Global chat modal is live too, so stay tuned for the public Madden tournaments to commence. Upwards and onwards, chain gang. So this is good that they finally got this out, because Madden is a big game all around the world and a massive game over in America. So it's great that you can now come over to the chain games platform and actually wager on this game. And we've got this right here as well. So 1 step backwards, 2 step forwards. They're talking about how the Fortnite thing didn't happen, which we'll talk about in a second. But as you can see right here, we are proud to announce that FIFA 1v1 matches will be ready and playable on the testnet on April the 9th. This one right here gets me super excited, because I am a big FIFA fan. So if I can go onto the chain games platform and start wagering against other FIFA players from my region, then this would be absolutely huge. So this one right here has got me personally very excited. So that was all the good news. I wanted to bring the good news first before we get into the bad news, because the bad news is pretty bad, because I know personally that a lot of people bought the chain games token and went onto the chain games platform ready for this game, and the game is Fortnite, and sadly Fortnite are cracking down, as you can see right here, on wagering matches. And as you know, chain games is a platform where you can wager against other people with cryptocurrency in various different games like Fortnite, and this was one of the big games that they had up and coming was Fortnite. And Fortnite is a huge game all around the world, and what has happened right now is the people behind Fortnite, the ones that made it, Epic Games, they actually went to Chain Games and said, no, we don't want any part in this. We want to take any affiliation with Fortnite and Chain Games down, whether it's on your website, whether it's on your Twitter, whether it's in your Telegram. We want it all taken down right now. And of course, Chain Games couldn't do anything about this because they don't want to waste their money going up against a billion-dollar company and trying to fight this. Because I've said this from day one, these were not partnerships, these were integrations, and this was a worry that this could potentially happen where a company like Epic Games, they go to Chain Games and they're like, yeah, we don't like what you're doing, we don't want to be a part of this, please take it down. And then this is what has happened right here, and it's gone even more serious than this, because if we go over to their Twitter, they actually made a tweet about this saying what has happened, why the Fortnite got taken down, or why it's getting taken down, why it'll no longer be on the Chain Games platform going forward. And Epic Games went to Chain Games and said, no, 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 no. We don't want you tweeting about us. We don't want you doing anything about us. Please remove the tweets. This is how serious it is right here. And you've got to remember, Chain Games can't do anything about this. Because if they were to fight this, one, they'd probably have no basis to fight this, and two, they'd be going up against a billion-dollar company that obviously has more money than Chain Games, so they'd have better lawyers than Chain Games, so it would just be a waste of time for Chain Games to go and fight this. But yeah, it's very, very serious, because they even went to Chain Games and said, no, we don't want you making a tweet about what's happened, we don't want any affiliation with Chain Games, take everything down right now. And as you can see right here, this is what Chain Games said after their Fortnite tweet. This is why our upcoming open dApp store and the decentralized nature of blockchain is so powerful, allowing any developers or users to interface with our smart contracts and enable esports competitions in their own games or external third-party titles. And if we go down here, let's have a look at what else they've said. We apologize to the community, as we know you are all very excited for this implementation. Like I said, a lot of people bought the Chain Games token and went on the Chain Games platform ready for Fortnite. However, we will not let this small setback keep us down, as we have tons more in store. And as you can see right here, most of all, we want to thank you, the community, for your unwavering support in what Chain Games does. And they're basically saying here they want to continue to keep going. They want to take Chain Games to the next level, because you got to remember, Chain Games have got a lot of things coming up on their roadmap for this year. But now let's talk about what this means for Chain Games going forward. So Chain Games and the games that they've got on their platform right now, this could be a big problem for the games that they got on their platform right now. I'm just going to be completely honest with you. You know how much I love Chain Games. You know how much I like the founder of Chain Games, which is Adam, but I am an honest guy, and I want to be honest with you in this video. This is a big worry right now, because let's just say EA go to Chain Games and say, yeah, we've seen what you're doing, we don't want any part in this either. Then that means FIFA will go down, that means Madden will go down. These big games will go down and won't be on the Chain Games platform. And then if other companies follow suit and they go to Chain Games and say, yes, we don't want to be affiliated with this, I know it's just an implementation, but we don't want to be affiliated with Chain Games and the wagering system that you have going on, then this could be a huge problem for Chain Games. I'm not trying to FUD in this video, because that is not what I'm trying to do. I'm just being completely honest with you right here. Now let's get on to the price. The price currently at 42 cents. I personally believe the price could potentially pull back to around 35 cents or even 30 cents with that massive Fortnite news. But I still firmly believe going forward, Chain Games will go back over the 80 cents mark and go towards $1. And I firmly believe Chain Games going forward will have some hiccups, will have some problems down the road. Maybe some more companies want to take their integration off, but I firmly believe Chain Games will grow and will continue to be stronger and stronger throughout the year, and they will grow from this Fortnite problem that they've had here, and they'll make it better going forward for all the other games that they do have on their platform. A good thing maybe Chain Games could do, I know these are only integrations, maybe they could go to a few companies and get official partnerships with them, and then they can come out and say, yes, we've got official partnership with this company, with this gaming company, and they will never take their game off our platform. Because right now there is going to be a massive worry that maybe EA might take their games off the platform, or other big companies might take their games off the Chain Games Games platform. But personally, with what they've got coming up on their roadmap, I believe that Chain Games will continue to get stronger and the price should shoot back up any day now, or definitely in the next couple of weeks once this Chain Games Fortnite news kind of fades away from the Chain Games ecosystem and kind of fades away from the Chain Games community, and Chain Games can just move on from this and continue to be stronger and continue to move forward as a community, as a team, as a platform, and make it even stronger every single day. Let me know down below what you think about Chain Games. I know I have probably waffled on in this video, but those were just my thoughts on what's happened with Chain Games, the good news, the bad news, and what's happened with the Fortnite and my opinion on it and how this could affect Chain Games going forward. Let me know your opinion down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you will be entered in the daily giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.